Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Road to Mathematics. In this video going to solve this interesting radical equation. So here we have given solve root x plus root under 3 equals to root over of 2x plus 5, and here we are asked to find the value of x. So without any delay, let's get started. So what we have given? We have given root x plus root 3 equals to root over 2x plus 5. Okay, so in the first step we need to remove this radical. For that I will square both sides of equation. So by squaring both sides we have root x plus root 3 whole square equals to root over 2x plus 5 whole square. Okay, so for this term I will apply an algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, by considering a as root over of x and b as root 3. Okay, this implies is, here I can write x as squaring a root x will give you x. Similarly, squaring root 3 will give you 3 plus 2 multiplied with root x multiplied with root 3 equals to, squaring a root over will cancel this radical. So here we have only 2x plus 5. Okay, this implies is, now taking this 2x and 5 to the left hand side, here we have x minus 2x plus 3 minus 5 plus 2 root under 3x equals to 0. This implies is x minus 2x is minus x, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Here we have 2 multiplied with root over 3x equals to 0. Okay. Now, in order to convert this negative signature into positive, we need to multiply minus 1 to the whole equation. If I multiply minus 1 with x, here we have x. Similarly, minus 1 will multiply with minus 2 as well. So, this will become plus 2. Here we have a positive signature. If I multiply minus 1 with plus 2 root 3 x, then this positive signature will convert into negative. So here we have minus 2 root over of 3x equals to 0. Now from here we can go in two ways. The first one is by assuming x as y square, or the second approach will be x plus 2. Now I'll take this minus 2 root over of 3x to the right hand side. So here we have root over of 3x. Now in order to get a quadratic equation, we need to remove this radical again. So for that we need to square both sides of equation. So here I'll square both sides of equation, and here we have root 3x whole square. So by applying the algebraic identity a plus b whole square, here we have x square plus 4 plus 4x equals to 4 multiplied with 3x. Okay, this implies is x square plus 4 plus 4x. 4 multiplied with 3x is 12x. I'll take this 12x to the left hand side. So this will become minus 12x equals to 0. This implies is x square minus 8x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay. So from here we can use a quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 8 and c is equals to 4. Okay, simply putting the values to this quadratic formula will get the answer x. Okay, so this one is the one approach. Now let's move on to second approach. In the second approach, I'll assume x as y square. So by substituting x as y square, the above equation becomes y square plus 2 minus 2 root 3 multiplied with y as y is equals to root x. So here we have root x. So this equals to 0. This implies is y square minus 2 root 3y plus 2 equals to 0. So through this substitution we are getting the quadratic equation little bit faster than this first approach. So here I will put the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2 root 3 and c is equals to 2. Now putting all the values in the above formula, we have y equals 2 root 3 plus or minus root under minus 2 root 3 square minus 4 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 2 divided by 2 multiplied with 1. So y equals to 2 root 3 plus or minus root under minus 2 root 3 square is 12 minus 8 divided by 2. So this implies is y equals to 2 root 3 plus or minus root under 4 divided by 2. So this implies is y equals to 2 root 3 plus or minus 2 divided by 2. This equals to, by dividing 2 we have root 3 plus or minus 1. But we are asked to find the value of x and we have taken root x is equals to y. So we will substitute the root x here. So this implies is root x equals to root 3 plus or minus 1. This implies is, by squaring both the side, here we have x and here we have root 3 plus or minus 1 whole square. Okay. This implies is x equals to, now here I will apply the identity a plus or minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus or minus 2ab. So here a is root 3, so root 3 square is 3 plus, and b is 1, so 1 square is 1 plus or minus 2 multiplied with root 3 multiplied with 1. So this implies is x equals to 4 plus or minus 2 root 3. So the value of x is equals to 4 plus 2 root 3 or x equals to 4 minus 2 root 3 is our answer. I hope you have understood the solution. You can use both the approaches and both the approaches will lead to same solution only. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep solving and stay awesome. Bye bye.